Another day, another English lesson. Common mistakes in English. Sometime, and sometimes. Hello? The words sometime, and sometimes look very similar, don't they? It's completely normal to find them confusing. Even native speakers do. But don't worry, they're actually quite easy to tell apart. Let's break them down together. 1. Sometimes, with an "as" at the end. This word means occasionally or now and then. It talks about how often something happens. Think of it as standing between always and never. The "s" at the end can help you remember it's about multiple separate times. Examples. I sometimes drink tea in the morning. I don't do it every day, only now and then. It sometimes rains in the desert. It doesn't happen often, but it occurs. She sometimes calls me on the weekend. She does it occasionally. 2. Sometime, two separate words. This refers to a period or amount of time. It often means a while or a long time. Think of it as a quantity of time, like some water or some money. You can often replace it with a period of time to check if it's correct. Examples. I need some time to think about your question. I need a period of time to think. They lived in Paris for some time. They lived there for a while. It will take some time to finish the project. It will take a while. 3. Sometime. One word, no "s". This word refers to an unspecified or unknown point in time. It means at some point in the future or past. It is not a specific time like 3 o'clock p.m., and it's not a period of time like 2 hours. Examples. Let's get together sometime next week. We will choose a specific day later. I will call you sometime tomorrow. I don't know exactly when yet. She visited us sometime last spring. I don't remember the exact date. Now watch and complete the sentences with sometime, or sometimes. One. The company sometimes forgets to water the plants. 2. We need to wait for some time for the bus to arrive. 3. I can't talk now. Please call me back sometime before dinner. Four. She lived in Brazil for some time before moving here. 5. Sometimes we like to go for a walk after lunch. 6. It will take some time for the paint to dry completely. 7. Let's have a picnic sometime next month. Eight. My sister sometimes listens to music while she studies. 9. I lost my keys sometime yesterday afternoon. I hope you enjoyed this worldwide ELT English language teaching video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.